Eikhoina Hingliba Khunai Asi Khudong Thiningai OIBA MARAMna MASINA Eikhoigi Pukning Wakhalgi Fivamdasu ACHOUBA Cheitheng ama Piri HAINA Lok Sabhagi member Dr. ANGOMCHA BIMOL AKOIJAMna PHONGDORAKLI. It is time to prioritize mental health in the workplace haiba theme asida yumpham oiraga Manipuri University ki Department of Psychology na sinduna ngarang Manipuri University ki court holda pangthokiba World Mental Health Day ge thoramda wafam asi phongdokladuna mahakna makhatana hai mental health amadi human psychology ani ase yamna mari leinai psychology tamliba singna traditional psychology ki mathakta personal experience self involvement amadi human psychology ka mari leina hanbasu hena kanagani Eikhoigi Khunai Asi afaba Khunai haibadu oidre afaba Khunai ama leitrabadi pukning wakhal leitana leiba haibasi oithoktabani amana amabu namthanaba hotnaringaida pukning wakhalda faurakpasing adu ningtamna phongdokpa ngamhandraba Khunai aduna kaidonungda afaba oiroi ngasigi Khunai asida makhal makha kayagi trait leibana afaba Khunai haibadu oidre pumnamagasi semdok minaduna afaba Khunai ama semgat sagatpa hotnabada naha singge thodang aduki matik chawi hainaso mahakna makhatana phongdokhi Thoromaduta School of Human and Environmental Sciences ki Dean Professor S. Jibon Kumar, School of Mathematics and Physical Sciences ki Dean Professor Sumitra Fanjobam Amade, RIMS ki Department of Psychiatry ki Hanagi Head, Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin na Resource Person Singh Oina Saruk Yakhi.
In the health debate, who is a healthy individual? Can there be a healthy individuals without a healthy society? Is healthy society nothing but the accumulation of this individual healthy society? Not necessarily. So these are debates that you must open up and look at your contemporary world. In Manipur is violence. Deeply, it's not that some kooky divisive forces are acting on us. We are eroding from within in the kind of cultural things, the etiquettes, the cultural nuances of as a community is completely gone in this society. It is there. It is brute force. You're thinking about a civilized, developed Manipur. No, you are not going to. It's not because of divisive cookie politics. It is within us. If I wanted to do something, do you think that there will be no pressure on me? If I want to invest something, people are already waiting like vultures of our society or our own product. How do you deal with this?